waves cheerfully. Hello, tech enthusiasts, developers, and innovators of the future. I'm Alex CodeMaster, your go-to guide in the world of tech innovation. Today, we're diving into the heart of successful coding practices with an indispensable tool every developer must master: Git. Yes, those Git commands that you use every day. Or maybe you're just getting your feet wet. Either way, stick around as we demystify the most essential Git commands that will supercharge your coding journey. Alex CodeMaster. Gestures to the holographic interface. Let's start at the very beginning. Git is a distributed version control system, an essential tool for developers that allows you to track and manage changes to your code. But to unlock its full potential, you need to get comfortable with Git commands. Section 1. Basic Git commands. Alex CodeMaster. Smiling. Here are some basic commands you definitely need to know. Git init for initializing a new Git repository. Git clone for copying a repository. And Git status for checking the status of your files. Section 2. Branching and merging. Alex CodeMaster. Enthusiastic. Now, let's talk about branching and merging. Git branch lets you create, list, rename, and delete branches. Git checkout allows you to switch between these branches. And Git merge will enable you to merge any two branches you have. Section 3. Committing and updating. Alex CodeMaster. Nods approvingly. Committing and updating your code is a breeze with Git add to stage changes, Git commit to save your changes, and Git pull or Git fetch, followed by Git merge, to update your local repository with the most recent changes. Section 4. Undoing changes. Alex CodeMaster. Laughs. Made a mistake? Don't worry, Git's got you covered. Git reset will help you undo changes, and Git revert will create a new commit that undoes all the changes made in a previous commit. Section 5. Remote repositories. Alex CodeMaster. Points to the screen. Finally, let's talk about remote repositories. Git remote is used to connect your local repository to the remote server. Git push is your ticket to upload local repository content to a remote repository. Alex CodeMaster. Claps hands together. That's a basic rundown of the Git commands every developer must master. But remember, mastering Git is not just about memorizing commands. It's about understanding the implications of each action on your codebase, collaborating effectively with your team, and paving the way for future innovation. Alex CodeMaster leans in, speaks earnestly, so keep practicing, keep exploring, and remember that every command you master is a step forward in your journey as a tech innovator. And as you do, you'll find that Git is more than just a tool. It's a catalyst for your growth and success in the fast-paced world of tech development. Alex CodeMaster. Voiceover. This is Alex CodeMaster, signing off. Keep coding, keep innovating. See you in the future.